Where's that girl that cried over the Big Ben? This is what she should be crying over.
So is this a vlog?
Yes.
Up next, Le Creuset. Or Le Creuset. What's the cool kids say?
Le Creuset.
They have some really cool stuff.
This one's with bread.
Ooh, you cook bread in there.
Yeah. This colour's nice though. I haven't really seen this colour.
That's the colour I want. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, that's actually quite cute.
Look, they've got like...
That's actually quite nice. I like this colour.
It's really cute, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm getting the cup in.
Where's that girl that cried over the Big Ben? This is what she should be crying over. Oh, is this the one that you want?
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at that. That'll look really nice on my desk. This is a cup that I'll put on.
Tell the difference.
Yeah, you can.
It's really upset me that I know that now. After we've got them 4, we should sell them. This is one of the colours that we've got, isn't
It's not that
it?
much expensive, you know.
Like, you can just tell the difference. I don't know what price they're.
Look at that
Oh,
there. It's not that far off.
17.
Yeah.
And what did we pay? 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, you would just rather pay the extra, wouldn't you? Actually, I want the... Yeah, water bottle.
This is just... How much are they?
Too much for a water bottle.
40 quid.
Yeah. Oh no, that one's 40. That one's 30.
Travel mug. Isotherm. Pretty cool.
That's the right one, isn't it?
Yeah. If I'm paying that much for a cup, I want the perfect one. Yeah.
I'm glad we've chose a colour.
Yeah. This colour's nice, isn't it? What's the name of the colour? Sea salt.
Cup sea salt. Oh, it's for cappuccinos. I tell you what it's for. Giant cups of tea. We have to get them a bowl. How much are they? Oh, 37 quid.
Get Chase one, Sierra one.
Oh no, I meant for a water bowl because they have slow feeders, don't they? So this would only work for a water bowl. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good,
Doing
thank you.
alright,
How
thank
are you?
Very good. So it will be these two?
Yes,
Yeah, just
please.
So is this a vlog?
Yes.
Oh, very cool.
Thank you. Look how stunning they are. Yeah, I love the colour.
Yeah, this colour's real nice, isn't it? What's that?
There's just spoon and stuff on. You know, we have the silicone one at home.
So you guys have a YouTube channel?
Yes, yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Because I'd love to check it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
And you guys do vlogs and stuff.
Yeah.
Like lifestyle.
Yeah. Nice stuff.
yeah.
No, that's really, really cool.
Thank
Yeah, we're
you.
relatively new, so...
I did YouTube before. And I got invited to work with Yes Theory. I don't know if you guys know.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Then I declined because I didn't want to edit videos. I wanted to perform. And I
Yes.
stopped YouTube and now I'm just studying acting.
Oh,
Okay.
amazing.
I think about going back.
Oh, you definitely
Yeah.
should. I think
Yeah,
the
you should
world's
do it on the
opened up
side.
a lot more now,
Exactly,
hasn't
yes.
it? So you definitely should, yeah.
We found it.
Absolutely.
I'll
Yes,
see you
yeah,
Thank
give it
you.
another
Yeah.
go. Amazing.
There you go, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Good luck with the acting and
Yeah.
With you guys.
thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Nice
We'll
time.
see you soon.
Everyone, it's gonna be for you.